Alright, we're back at Cheesecake. Not Cheesecake.
Cheese
Wish we were at Cheesecake Factory. No. Hello! We're back at Cheese Factory for the 4th time.
Yep, we're headed up to Tray Mountain this time. We are going to Dix Creek Gap. I didn't update you on my knee. We about to take 15 days off for it to heal. So we're headed up behind me towards Tray Mountain. Getting ready to head into my favorite part of this section, the green tunnel. I guess that's why we had to do it again. We made it to the top of Tray Mountain. Views are great today. You can see all the way right down there to Hiawassee. Every now and then I get a little bit turned around. We got ya.
Top things to do on trail.
Hydrate, see pretty little streams, sleep in the water. We have 1.5 miles to camp, hopefully, and I found a pretty rock on the way. Hey, I think
I lost my hat.
you're missing something there.
Oh, you gave it for me?
Oh.
Thanks, Rock.
Roxy got it. Okay, good job, leave it.
Buddy, we're just finishing up, setting up for the swag of the Blue Ridge. This is where we're camping tonight. I'm over there in the hammock. Jenny's got her tent. Roxy's mad because I'm going over here and make some peanut butter and jelly on bagels. And that's what we're having for dinner tonight. We're a little tired tonight. First night back from leg injury, but all in all, pretty good day. All right, talk to you in the morning. Bye. Day 15. It's a little chilly this morning, but we're getting ready to head out. We're headed to Dix Creek Gap. Hey everybody, we made it to Addis Gap. We're shedding layers and getting ready for a mile straight uphill. It doesn't look too bad from here, but we'll flip you around here. Made it to the top of Kelly Knob. The views are beautiful up here.
Roxy? Rox, which way would you like to go? Down? Come here. Which way? What do you think? Left or right, hon?
Which way's the trail?
Oh,
good job.
Usually she picks that direction.
Hey, we made it!
Dix Creek Gap, 7.6 miles today.
Oh. Roxy's excited to get to the car.
What's up? You see him? Is he standing over there? Yeah?
Hi, we're back out here. We're at Dix Creek Gap, and we're headed to Plum Orchard Shelter tonight. Short one because we're getting a late start again.
Yeah.
All right.
I also never know where to look at. My eyes are all crazy. All right, bye.
Morning.
Morning.
We made it into Plum Orchard Shelter last night. We got in late, set up late, ate late.
And people were all around. Roxy wasn't too thrilled this morning, so we didn't show our setup, but we will try to do that tonight. We're going to go on up trail.
All right. So we're not really sure where my mom went. We kind of fly on the downhills. Not sure if I should wait or keep walking. So Roxy seems to say, let's move on. So hopefully she's behind us. We made it to Blue Ridge Gap, yay! Well, 2 of us did. We still don't know where my mom is. Hopefully she's behind us. Hopefully she'll get here soon. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go on without her or just wait down here and chill. Depends on, I guess, if there's a good seat. At first look, I thought this was a bench, but it turns out it's just a big log with a lot of signatures on it. And oh, Roxy's leaving her mark. Yay, look who joined us! It's mostly been uphill today, and we're still going uphill. And there's a butterfly, and you can really see where my ADHD kicks in. Hey, guess what? We got a surprise for you.
We made it to North Carolina.
Yep, 1 state down.
13 to go. It's hard to believe.
Yep.
I think this is 78 miles maybe that we've got in so far.
Something like that.
We're walking a little slow, but hey, we're moving down trail.
Look at this cool tree. Made it to Sassafras. Well, 2 of us did. We're still waiting for my mom. I walked ahead to ensure that we got a campsite, but there's nobody here, so far, looks like we'll be here tonight on our own. Finally made it before sunset!
Good morning. It's day 18 from Sassafras Gap. Here was our setup last night. We had it all to ourselves. It's a little windy up here, but not bad at all. It was actually pretty nice last night. I'd say about 54 degrees, so a good sleeping night. Hey, here's the view for today. Pretty, a little cloudy, but not bad. We're headed to Deep Gap. Hey Jen, look, they named a trail after me.
Chunky girl. You mean they named it after us?
Yeah.
Isn't that right, you little chunk monster?
What I came upon.
No, we just decided to sit and chill.
Yeah, what's the fall count, Jenny? What's your number?
I'm probably up like 4.
4?
Yeah.
All right.
This is the first one I've got caught, though.
And how are you feeling?
Well, after I got sat on and kissed in the face, pretty good.
Okay. All right, you got to watch. Hey, I think that rock got her. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Okay.
We're just taking a little snack break. She's being fed the old Greek way with the grapes. Or is that Roman?
She looks comfy though.
We made it. Deep gap. All right, she's gonna pull me to the car because she's really excited. Who is that? Slow. Very slow. Yeah, slow.
Hey, I'll come to you. Wait. Good girl. Okay. Wait. I'll come to you. Good girl. Good girl.
A little butt tornado. Little butt tornado.